Hey, what's up guys? So this is the engine that I was talking about that I bought on eBay. It was supposed to have a spun bearing on cylinder 1, but there's nothing, no issue on it. Everything is perfect on this thing. Like literally no noises, no nothing. So these are all the pistons and rods. All the bearings on it are perfect. The pistons are a little bit crusty. I don't like that. Mines were a lot cleaner, so I can tell that engine has a lot more miles. So I might see, like, you can tell how my pistons were like a lot cleaner. Anyway, so what I might do is take my rings and put them on there, because I think that those rings, that was the issue, that the rings were like worn down, so it might have had like low compression. And then I'm gonna throw that engine back together, get the car running in like 2 days, and then build this sucker. That's what I'm gonna do, because that crankshaft is perfect. Actually, here's my older one. And you can see like the damage right here, see? Oh, never mind, right here, see? And then you can see how the other ones, they're all perfect. Well, this one, before I took all the rods away, or like out, there was no damage, like there was no sound or anything in here. So this thing is like mint. So I'm just gonna take it apart, take the case halves out, make sure that all the bearings in here are fine, which, you know, it doesn't make any noise, so it's all good. But still, I'm gonna do that just to make sure, and then start cleaning this thing up and throw it together. That's what's gonna go back in the car. I'm gonna reuse the other one and build it, and that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say or do. So yeah, the car is sitting right here. Okay, that's a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking this thing apart, clean it, and start throwing parts on it, basically. I mean, this thing is perfect. I don't see anything wrong with it. And I kind of need to get the car running. I've been driving the truck here and there, but I'm also doing some stuff on the truck. I got my fishing rods laying around. Anyway, so I don't know if you guys remember when I first showed the truck on the channel, there was a panel here, or like a big piece. Took that off because we're gonna cut the bed here. Actually, you can see, you're gonna cut that off and kind of like, you know, give it an angle. And then we're redoing the whole light system on the back and those lights up there. That's why it's like laying around. And then when we bought it, I guess like in the accident, it had a trailer and it pushed this in. So we gotta take all of that out too. So we just literally like threw it back together so I could drive it for a little bit. And then I've also been driving my girlfriend's car, which is being like really kind about it. She has a Mazda Speed 3 that soon it'll be here on the channel. You guys will see some stuff that we're doing to that as well. So yeah, that thing is pretty sweet, and I appreciate that she lets me drive it.